Good morning, all. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Friday, and we're at the 21st of March, 2025, about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. There's no major U.S. economic data due out today, so a breather day. That's not helping the stock market as it's focusing on Nike earnings down, as the market's looking at a death cross picture in the video, in the chart. So that is weighing on these markets. You're still looking at the dollar trying to rally at the expense of mixed expense in a lot of the currencies. You can see they're all over the board, some up, some down, but primarily the dollar gaining on the basket. The bonds and notes continue to slowly take yield out of rates. The key will be when the 10-year note gets under 4%. And if it gets under there, how does the market react at that point? On the energy market, Iran today made a statement that the Houthis in Yemen, they're independent. They do not listen to what Iran says. Do you buy that for 1 second? If you do, wow. There's a bridge in Brooklyn you might want to buy. When you look at the grain markets, you can see how they're just wandering back and forth. It's this wobble effect that I'm seeing in the market. So it's not a very exciting day. It's more of a technical trading day than it is anything else at this point. And I think we just have to wait and see how this is all going to play itself out now. But going into the week, the big question is, will the stock market be able to have another gaining week, or is it going to give back all those gains? A lot of people think a top is in place for the near term and that the buyers on dips are losing. I read a report this morning that so far for the year, if you're buying the dips, they did a survey and those investors are behind about 7%. So not a fun time for stock investors right now. I did a report yesterday on gasoline, and I think you want to take a look at it. As you know, we are in the switchover period from the end of March through April, where we start moving into the summer blends. Then the question is the summer driving and spring driving season. When does the market peak out? So I took a look at Season X charts, and I gave you a 5, a 10, a 15-year basis to work with. I took our price counts, which have been bearish, and they got to their third price count zone. Is that enough for the market to hold? So I give you a lot of strategy in here, and I also cover the gasoline ETF. So you're able to look at the futures, the ETF, and I show you the futures in both a weekly and a daily basis. The report's only up for 3 business days, so you want to take a look at it now. All you do is go to irapscene.com, look on the top left. You'll see in bright green, it's going to say gasoline report. Energy report is actually what it says. Just give it a click, and away you go. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great weekend. I'll catch up with everybody over the weekend with our weekly look at charts. You take care.